for all people who subscribe to our channel. And who's gonna subscribe now?
Channel over subscribe.
We got a oh my goodness! Come on! Talia, look, there's a butterfly button, and look at the numbers. And look, there's a bead roller for babies, and number buttons in a story mode. There's a music mode and letter mode. Talia, look! There's 16 colorful pages. Surprise for Talia to learn and fun! Yay!
Press a light up button. A. Apple. B. Banana.
Banana.
C. Cup. D. Dino. Roar!
Wow, what does this do?
Find the letter A. A.
There's A.
Correct. Find the letter A. A. That's correct. Find the letter D.
There is D.
D. That's correct.
Now let's see what happens when we press these numbers.
1,
Whoa.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now let's read.
Turn the page to read Dino's Delightful Day. Roar! Dino eats an apple and a banana. Dino spills his cup. Oh no, Dino! Roar! Dino exercises near a fan. Dino feeds his goldfish and hamster. An insect crawls on Dino. Dino jumps. Dino flies a kite at the lake. Dino visits the market. Dino buys some nuts. Dino finds olives, yum, and popcorn too. Dino visits the zoo. Quails fly. Rabbits hop. Seals bark. And tigers roar. Dino grabs his umbrella. Dino runs through the vines. Dino jumps over the water to where X marks the spot. Dino yawns. Roar! What a delightful day at the lake, the market, and the zoo. Nighty-night, Dino. Let's count. Press
Yay,
the
let's
button.
count.
7 red insects. 3 yellow bananas.
Ooh.
9 purple olives. Yum! 6 blue seals.
Ooh.
There are red insects.
There's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there's 7.
There are red apples.
There There are two. 1, 2. Yes, there's 2.
There are yellow umbrellas.
And some letters.
Press a light up button. A, apple. B, banana.
Banana.
C,
The one
E,
for you.
exercise. F, fan.
I want to take a
G, goldfish. H, hamster. Press a light up button. I, insect. Jump. K, kite. L, lake. M, market. N, nuts. O, olives. P, popcorn. Q, quail. R, rabbit. S, seal. T, tiger. Press U, umbrella. V, vines. W, water. X marks the spot. Press a light up button. Y, yarn. Z, zoo. D, dino. Learn letters, numbers, and visit fun places. Press a light up button. There are red insects.
Red.
There are red apples.
Red apples.
There are yellow bananas.
Yellow bananas.
There are yellow umbrellas.
8 yellow umbrellas.
There are purple olives. Yum!
9 purple olives.
There are blue seals. Or.
There's 6 blue seals.
There are purple kites.
There's 5 purple kites.
There are purple olives. Yum! There are blue cups.
10 blue cups.
Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, where is
Like and subscribe.